In this video, we delve into one of the most pressing economic issues facing our nation today, the national debt ceiling. With the current debt soaring to an unprecedented $31.4 trillion, it's crucial to understand the implications and potential solutions. Join us as we explore the intricacies of this complex topic and shed light on the factors contributing to the national debt. 1. What is the national debt ceiling? Explain that the national debt ceiling is a statutory limit set by Congress on the total amount of debt the U.S. government can issue to fund its operations and obligations. Discuss the historical origins of the debt ceiling, such as the Second Liberty Bond Act of 1917, which introduced the concept to finance World War I. Mention previous instances where the debt ceiling has been raised or suspended to accommodate increasing levels of debt. 2. Current state of the national debt. Provide context by comparing the current $31.4 trillion national debt to previous levels and the size of the U.S. economy. Break down the components of the debt, including public debt held by investors, intragovernmental holdings, such as Social Security trust funds, and other obligations. Discuss the factors contributing to the debt, such as government spending on entitlement programs, defense, infrastructure, and interest payments on previous debt. 3. Consequences of surpassing the debt ceiling. Explain that if the debt ceiling is breached, the government would be unable to borrow further to meet its obligations. Discuss the potential consequences, such as a government shutdown, delays in payments to federal employees and contractors, and disruptions in essential services. Highlight the impact on financial markets, including potential credit rating downgrades, increased borrowing costs, and market volatility. 4. Raising the debt ceiling. Clarify the need to raise the debt ceiling to avoid defaulting on existing obligations and ensure the government can continue to function. Explain the legislative process involved in raising the debt ceiling, requiring approval from Congress. Address misconceptions, such as the belief that raising the debt ceiling means approving new spending, and explain that it primarily allows the government to meet its existing financial commitments. 5. Policy alternatives and debates. Present different viewpoints on how to address the national debt. Explore arguments for reducing government spending through budget cuts, fiscal austerity measures, and entitlement reforms. Discuss opposing viewpoints that advocate for a focus on economic growth strategies, such as infrastructure investment or targeted stimulus measures. Highlight the ongoing policy debates surrounding the balance between addressing the debt and supporting economic recovery. 6. Long-term implications and future challenges. Discuss the potential long-term consequences of a growing national debt, such as increased interest payments, reduced fiscal flexibility, and crowding out of private investment. Address the challenges of balancing the need for economic growth, investment in critical areas, and responsible fiscal management. Highlight the importance of addressing structural issues in the budget, such as entitlement reform and tax policy, to ensure long-term sustainability. 7. Conclusion. Recap the key points covered in the video. Emphasize the importance of public awareness and engagement with the national debt ceiling issue. Encourage viewers to stay informed, engage in discussions, and reach out to elected representatives to advocate for responsible fiscal policies. By providing additional details within each step, the video aims to offer a thorough understanding of the national debt ceiling, its implications, and the policy debates surrounding it, enabling viewers to develop a well-rounded perspective on this critical economic topic. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and comment for more great content.